Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decoration ideas. So I hope you're enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Beautiful flowers. Create a beautiful path using flower and small plants. You can place colorful flowers along both sides of a walking path. For the path itself, you can use stones, brick, wood, piece, or small garden tiles. These simple ideas can make the garden look organized and welcome. Different color of flowers can also make the path look bright and cheerful. Stone walkway is another beautiful idea. Natural stones can give your garden a peaceful and natural feeling. You can arrange large flat stone across the grass and create a simple walking path. Small plants can be placed between the stone. They create a beautiful mix of stones and greenery. For a more natural look, don't make the stones perfectly straight. A soft path can look even more interesting. And weavers, my next idea is friends. Dye garden planters or containers can be turned into beautiful garden planter. You can reuse old pot, wooden box, basket, bucket, or even other unused item. Paint them in soft color and fill them with flower or small plant. This is an easy way to add color without spending a lot of money. You can also place plants together at a different height. This create a beautiful garden corners. And friends, weavers hanging plants. Hanging plants are perfect for small garden. You can hang flower pot from walls, fence, wooden frame, or cover outdoor area. Hanging plants add height to the garden and make the space look more full. You can use colorful flower or green plants depending on the look you want. A group of hanging pot can become a beautiful factor of your garden. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos.